Kokti shal horok Khorokdok shiklano shikok khane wanshoge bodok Khlaikha Bwtharmani Patimungo Kwrwngjak Khorokdok Borokno eres Khlaikha Belonia Thanani police Krak shalo remand chane Borokno dorbarno goti shaka Belonia Thanani police Lai thangnai kokti shal horok Babul Mia Mungoi Khorokdok shiklano shikok khane bodok Khlaikha Khorokdok bwskango khiklai toni jakmani Patimung Belonia Johornabadia Bidalaya amchayo abai Patimungni koktoma mankinu Patimung thayo thangui sogoikha Belonia Thanani police Patimungna tiye jaitugini tongmani yagola Patimungo Kwrwngjak Khorokdok Borokno Krakshala eres Khlaikha Belonia Thanani police Borokni muk Mohammad Mustafa Abdul Hussein Upolde Akash Das Sonjoy Tiwarite Shibshankar Sarkar a Khorokdokni bisingo Khorokbroini tongthai Father Hasdewo hini Shaka police.
Yesterday, one case was registered by Belonia PS case number 2025-007 dated 10/2/2025 under section 103+1 and 3+5 of BNS 2023. After the registration of the case, UC Belonia PS has induced to me for investigation, and accordingly during investigation, we have detained and brought 6 persons at PS, and during detention, we have interrogated him thoroughly and checked everything, and accordingly after collecting the evidence, we have arrested 6 persons in connection with the case and will be forwarded today before the learned court for 3 days police remand. 6 person name is Abul Hussein, Utpol De, Akash Das, Sonjoy Tiwari, Shibshankar and Mustafa Ali.
বাড়ি কোন জায়গাতে তাদের ছয়জনে?
ছয়জনের 4 person are from Assam and 2 person from Belonia.
স্যার যে ছয়জন পাশাপাশি আরো 3 জনকে গতকালকে ডিটেইন করা হয়েছিল, মানে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছিল জিজ্ঞাসাবাদের জন্য। তারা 3 জন কে ছিল জিজ্ঞাসাবাদের জন্য যাদেরকে নিয়ে আসছিল?
Still investigation going on. Investigation is just only started. Their name will be revealed, and if evidence is collected, as per the law will be taken.
মানে টোটাল কি আপনার 9 জনকে এনেছিলেন থানাতে জিজ্ঞাসাবাদের জন্য?
জিজ্ঞাসাবাদ টোটাল 9 person was brought.
হ্যাঁ, 6 জনের বিরুদ্ধে মামলা হয়েছে আর 3 জনের
not FIR against unknown person, and after the interrogation, but after collecting evidence, 6 person were arrested.
Paithago Krakshalo remand chane Borokno dorbarno goti shaka Belonia Thanani police Patimungna tiye jaitugini tongmungo Khorokdok tabuk Belonia Thanani police. Bureau report Chini Khorang.